everybody, so today I'm going to be unboxing my April Essential Rewards order. Essential Rewards is a loyalty program from Young Living. I order stuff every month and right now I am earning 20% back. The first thing that I got this month was the Ningxia Red Essential Rewards kit. We order Ningxia almost every month and we drink it every day. I usually drink about 2 ounces of Ningxia a day. Ningxia Red is the antioxidant supplement from Young Living, and the Ningxia Red Essential Rewards pack comes with the 30 packs and then it comes with 4 bottles. So it comes with the 4 bottles of Ningxia Red plus the 30 packs of the 2-ounce packages. The next thing that I ordered this month was another product guide. I'm stocking up on product guides for once I can start hosting classes and parties again. And the next thing I ordered this month was the Thieves Aromabright Toothpaste. I currently have the Thieves Dental Ultra Toothpaste, but I'm running low, so I figured I'd try the Aromabright Toothpaste. There is also the whitening toothpaste, which I will probably try after I try the Aromabright toothpaste. It does smell different. It looks to be the same color as the Dental Ultra toothpaste. You can definitely smell a lot more spearmint in this one. So this toothpaste has coconut oil, baking soda, peppermint oil, spearmint oil, clove, ocotea, lemon, cinnamon, and rosemary. So it uses the Thieves Essential Oil blend plus a couple extras. This one says with peppermint and spearmint essential oil on the front. It also has ocotea from the ingredients. I'm super excited to try another one of the toothpastes because I really like the Dental Ultra, but I want to give them all a try so I can figure out which one is my favorite. So the next thing that I ordered this month was the Mineral Sunscreen SPF 50. I wanted to order this last year when it first came out, but it was out of stock almost all summer. So I made sure to buy it before summer hit and it went out of stock again. It has 22% zinc oxide, castor seed oil, coconut oil, sunflower seed oil, helichrysum, lavender, carrot seed oil, frankincense oil, and it just says helps prevent sunburn, broad spectrum SPF 50, water and sweat resistant 80 minutes. Apply liberally 15 minutes before sun exposure, reapply at least every 2 hours or after 80 minutes of swimming. Where the sun's coming out more, and I burn really easily, I'm really excited to have the sunscreen this year. It doesn't really smell like anything, but I'll let you guys know how this works. I also ordered the Lavender and After Sun spray in my United States order, so those two will be great to pair together, especially with summer coming around. So the next thing that I ordered is the Thieves spray. I ordered the Thieves spray because the hand sanitizer went out of stock, and I wanted to make sure that I had some sort of small thing on hand that I can keep with us for some quick disinfecting. So it just has alcohol, water, clove oil, lemon oil, cinnamon bark oil, eucalyptus radiata oil, rosemary oil in it. And then you just spray this on any surfaces for a quick clean. We'll probably keep this in the vehicle. Spray down like the grocery store part. It really just smells like the household cleaner with alcohol in it. So, yeah. Super excited to try this. I'll let you guys know how it works. And then I have 3 oil tubes. At the 100 PV level this month, you get a 15 ml of lemongrass. I use lemongrass mostly just in the diffuser. We have loved diffusing it right now with eucalyptus globulus and lavender. It's been one of our go-to blends right now. It smells really fresh. So we're super excited to have another bottle of this on hand because I am running kind of low on lemongrass. The next oil that I got for free this month was a 15 ml of lavender. It was the 190 PV promo. We use lavender, like I said, with lemongrass in the diffuser during the day. I also use lavender every single night when we go to sleep. And we also keep it in a roller that we roll on the back of our necks to help with a calming experience. The other 190 PV promo this month was Northern Lights Black Spruce, a 5 ml of that. Northern Lights Black Spruce is another calming oil. We diffuse this a lot during the evening. It has a really woodsy feeling, and I am really excited to have an extra one of these on hand. I do have another one that I got 3 months ago, I think, that I haven't yet opened, but it's really exciting to keep these ones on hand because it is one of our favorites. It smells so great. The next oil that I got for free this month was Clary Sage. Clary Sage was the 250 PV promo. Clary Sage, I looked it up. It is a very calming scent and uplifting. I have not gotten it yet. It was on my wish list. That's exciting. It smells really earthy. I'm pretty sure it's a flower. It smells really good. I'm gonna like putting this in the diffuser, and it's definitely got a very calming aroma. So I'm super excited to try that out this month. The next oil that I got for free was the 300 PV promo, which was a 15 ml of frankincense. Frankincense is such a great calming oil that I use. I also use it for skin support. I put it on my face. I also use frankincense in my muscle blend. And it's also a very expensive oil, so it's crazy that they sent a 15 ml of this for free. I don't remember if it was last month or the month before, but I got a 5 ml of it for free, and having a 15 ml is just crazy. So the last oil that I got for free this month was a Young Living Signature Blend Loyalty. Loyalty is given to members who are on Essential Rewards for 12 months, and since this was my 13th order, they sent it with my 13th order. The Loyalty blend can't be bought with the member-only oil. It has a lot of expensive oils in it. It has Angelica fruit oil, ylang ylang, lavender, Idaho blue spruce, cassia, vetiver, sandalwood, geranium, frankincense, patchouli, cardamom, mastron, peppermint oil, melissa, and rose. So everybody talks about this being such a crazy blend, and that it's super great. So I'm super excited to smell it. It smells really good. It kind of smells really a little spicy, but like it smells great. I know a lot of people wear this as a perfume and diffuse it. I'm so happy to have this oil for free. I never really could even imagine of having loyalty for free, and this year has gone by so fast. So I'm really excited to use this oil, and I'm really excited to get another one in another 12 months. So yeah, this is super special. So that's everything that I got this month on my Essential Rewards order. If you guys have any questions about any of the products, or any questions about Young Living in general, or any questions about Essential Rewards, you can comment them below, or you can shoot me a message. I hope you guys are all staying safe, and I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone.